Boost your agency with our AI SEO tool. Double your client results with just one click. Revolutionize your workflow. Try it today.
Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are unpacking a massive structural shift in the digital marketing world. We're talking about the evolution of SEO software for agencies as we barrel headfirst into the 2026 AI era. Look, the search landscape has fundamentally transformed, right? And if the tools your agency relies on every single day aren't evolving with it, you're literally risking obsolescence.
Which brings us to a really serious gut check moment. Honestly, is your agency ready for AI search? You've got to ask yourself if your current software stack is truly preparing your clients for a world that's dominated by AI overviews and autonomous agents. Because if you're still relying on legacy platforms designed for the search algorithms of, say, 5 years ago, you might be fighting a losing battle.
Okay, let's dive into this contrast. The classic search model, the 2020 way of doing agency SEO, relied heavily on keyword-stuffed templates and basic webmaster tools that really just reported issues after the fact. But the reality of 2026? It demands AI and geo search. This new era requires generative engine optimization, actual Google Gemini AI analysis, and answer engine optimization. The days of just competing for 10 blue links are completely over. Today, your software needs to actually help your clients get cited by AI assistants.
So here's our roadmap for today's Explainer. First, we'll hit the AI search revolution. Then, we'll talk about zero-cost agency SEO, followed by automating technical audits. After that, we'll look at scaling content and media, dive into the AI lab advantage, and finally, future-proofing your agency. We are going to systematically cover the ultimate operational blueprint for your agency.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the AI search revolution. Welcome to the new ecosystem.
Now, the source material highlights an absolutely crucial distinction from modern tools. Real AI, not repackaged. What does that mean? It means running deep, actual analysis using Google's Gemini model. We're not talking about a database of old templates just pretending to be intelligent. This is genuine, agentic AI actively processing your client's data to generate real strategy and real content. It's a total game changer.
Moving right along to Section 2, zero-cost agency SEO. We're talking no hidden fees whatsoever.
Okay, this is where the financial math of scaling an agency completely flips on its head. $0, 0 required signups, and 0 hidden limits to access a suite of over 35 tools. For an agency owner who's used to bleeding thousands of dollars a month on seat licenses, this is wildly disruptive. I mean, it's zero.
Think about what a truly frictionless environment actually looks like in practice. The entire suite is completely free with absolutely no account required. There are no daily quotas, no annoying upgrade to unlock paywalls holding your client data hostage, and critically for your bottom line, commercial and client use are 100% permitted. You can literally run audits for 50 clients in an afternoon without ever hitting a paywall. And this zero-cost model feeds into a highly efficient daily workflow. It's just 3 simple steps. Pick from the categorized tools, enter your URL or content, and get actionable results in seconds. There's no bloated onboarding process, just instant, actionable insights. Next up is Section 3, automating technical client audits. Let's look at that technical foundation.
Think about the heavy lifting of client vetting for a second. If you're inspecting domain records during a pitch, you can instantly use the DNS and IP lookups. Checking if core page is actually indexed? Just fire up the Google Index Checker. Monitoring uptime? Use the website status checker. This brilliantly illustrates how you can map your everyday, frustrating agency headaches directly to instant, free solutions.
The source material actually drops this pretty chilling reality check. It says, a website can look perfect and still be quietly losing rankings due to a handful of overlooked technical details. Wow. I mean, that is the ultimate agency nightmare, right? A gorgeous site that just won't rank. These technical tools basically act as your early warning system for those silent rank-dropping server issues with broken tags before they become total disasters.
Now let's jump to Section 4, scaling content and media. It's all about speed and optimization here.
So once the technical foundation is rock solid, your content desk has to move fast. And this toolkit covers pretty much every pre-published check you could need. You're verifying originality with a plagiarism checker, uncovering high-intent phrases with keyword suggestion, compressing images so assets load fast, and even automating accessibility with an AI alt text generator. All of this right in the browser instantly without switching platforms.
Moving into Section 5, the AI lab advantage. This right here is your secret weapon.
Now, to truly understand the AI lab, we have to talk about GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization. This is the practice of optimizing content so it gets cited by AI assistants like Google AI Overviews, Gemini, and ChatGPT, and not just ranked in traditional search results. Honestly, adapting to GEO is the single most critical differentiator for your agency right now as we head into 2026.
So how do you actually execute GEO? You use tools specifically engineered for complex query coverage. The AI Lab uses Google Gemini to run those heavy agentic SEO checks. From the Prism engine handling query fanouts to tools like the AI Search Visibility Checker that audit how well autonomous AI agents can actually parse and cite your client's site. It's next-level stuff.
A massive standout here is the Veridex score. It's one verified number combining real technical checks, trust signals, page speed, content quality, and AI search visibility. Imagine walking into a pitch and showing a prospective client exactly where their AI visibility is lacking, complete with an embeddable trust badge, and the whole shebang is generated at zero cost. How cool is that?
Let's bring it home with Section 6, Future-Proofing Your Agency. The ultimate takeaway.
The core ethos of this entire shift is incredibly simple. You need software, quote, built for how search works today, not how it worked 5 years ago. Clinging to legacy SEO, software for agencies that only measures traditional metrics, is a guaranteed way to leave your clients in the dust in the AI era. You just can't do it anymore.
So as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a question you really need to ask yourself. Are your clients optimized to be cited by AI agents, or are they still just competing for traditional clicks? If it's the latter, it's definitely time to rethink your agency's software stack and strategy. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.